Hi everyone, welcome to Weed and Secret. Just a quick video today. I'm actually making some Flirtatious bath bombs. So I'm just taking my glitter and sprinkling it around the centre, like so. And then I pop a wafer flower rose right in there, and then sprinkle on the purple. Make sure it's nice and loose and powdery, because if it's not, it'll probably move your flower into the wrong position. So then once you've pressed the purple down, you can just go into your pink and very gently press and twist. No need to press it really hard, because the harder you press it, you're probably going to press a lot of powder into the mould, and if you put too much in, it's really difficult to unmould the bath bombs. And then just tap it with a spoon and then just place it on the side. We're going to make another one now. Just sprinkle it around the edges. I can't remember what this colour glitter's called. I'm feeling crimson. So try not to put too much purple in there, because I don't want the purple to get mixed in with the pink, and that's why I actually press the purple down first, so that I don't get any of it mixed into the pink. So then when you take the other half of your mould and you squeeze and twist, any powder that falls out is only the pink powder. Now, what I do, because I leave these in the moulds for 24 hours, and then I always put elastic bands around the centre to keep that nice and tight. If there's any warmth in your house or wherever you're leaving your bath bombs, they will try to expand. So they'll expand the only way they know how, if you haven't got them pressed tight, and they'll expand away at the centre, and then you end up with a sort of cracking all the way around the centre of the mould. So that's how you avoid that. Why do I leave them in the moulds? Well, you just end up with a really nice smooth finish. Now if you're using the bath bomb press, you get that beautiful nice smooth finish anyway, because they are packed nice and tightly. Now if you saw, that one actually moved, the rose moved, and the only reason I'm not using the bath bomb press today for these is because I can't quite master the flower in the bath bomb press. So one day I'll probably master it. So it's not going to be a very long video today, because I'm not making tons of these. Someone's placed a wholesale order for 20 bath bombs and I haven't got them, so I want to make a lot of different ones as quick as I possibly can. So and then, because you're not pressing too much into those moulds, it makes it easier to unmould them. But as I said the last time I showed a video of me making bath bombs like this, what did I say? Yeah, they can get stuck in the mould. And I think a lot of that is like how much liquid you put in. So just stick to the recipe that I've given you in the description box below the video. Literally loads and loads of people have come and told me how well it works for them. And I think probably all the difference is that you're actually measuring the witch hazel instead of just spraying it over the top. When you're spraying over the top, you have no way of knowing how much witch hazel you've even put in there. And then the other thing is, once you've got that witch hazel in, don't try and add more later, because that always spoils the mix somehow. Just try and make as many as you can with the mix you've got without spraying any more on top, because you feel it's getting a bit dry. Now I got the wafer roses, I just got those off Amazon somewhere, but they're not my favourite, these ones. They don't look the best when they're unmoulded, but I'll unmould one and just show you what I mean. Sometimes it's a bit hard to see the rose, so you've got to pick out that, you know, pick out the powder that's fallen into the rose. Seems like I've used more pink than I should have, and I'm gonna end up with more purple than I want, but it's okay, because whatever is left, then I'll just mix them together and make some bath bombs with them, and we'll be able to use those at home, or I'll just put them in with somebody's order. So we're definitely going to get one more. We might get two. What I should have done was put a bit more purple in into each bath bomb. Yeah, so it looks like we're just gonna, this is gonna be the last one. And then we'll just tip the purple into the pink like so. And just make up a few bath bombs with what's in there. We just need a bit more in there. I lost it, didn't I? Will I get another one? I don't know. Let's see. It does look beautiful, the pink and the purple together like that, doesn't it? So probably won't get one like actually to press together, but we can just put what's left over in there like that and just press it down just tip it over, tap, and out it comes. So there they are. Most of the flowers have come out absolutely fine, but you'll see a couple of them, i.e. this one on the left and this one on the left, they need a little bit of work to make them nice and neat like these ones. So let's do that, shall we? So all you need to do is just take a knife and just break it off like so. Get all those little crumbs out. And there you go, they're all done. Alright everyone, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you very soon for another video from Eden's Secret. Bye bye for now.